Hi everyone, welcome to Trini Can Cook, and today we'll be making saltfish buljol. Here's a list of things that you would need to make the saltfish buljol. After you have prepped everything, there are two ways that you can do this. You can either add all the ingredients together or you can cook it, which is what I like to do. So that's the method that I'm going to be doing today. So let's get started. So first we boil the saltfish for about 10 minutes, and that is to get rid of the salt. So once that's done, strain the saltfish and then go ahead and shred it into very fine pieces. Next, wash with clean running water. Do it as many times as possible, and you can even taste the saltfish until you think that most of the salt has been gotten rid of. As you can see, I've diced my onion, garlic, celery, chive, thyme, and pimento. I also got my saltfish nicely shredded up, my tomatoes diced, and my carrots shredded. So now we have all our ingredients. It's time to put everything together. So I like to add a little bit of olive oil as well as some canola oil. So here we have about 2 tablespoons of olive oil and about 1 tablespoon of canola oil. Of course, you can adjust this and use more or less if you like. We are cooking over medium to high heat. So now that our pot is nice and hot, let's go ahead and add all the ingredients. Add the onion. Let it saute for a few seconds and then go ahead and add the garlic, the pimento, thyme, celery. Mix it all up and let everything cook and nicely soften for about a minute or so. Next, we're going to add the tomatoes, our chopped chive, and our carrots. I absolutely love the texture and the sweetness that the carrots give to this dish. So go ahead and add like your black pepper or your hot pepper, depending on your taste and your spice level. And now for the star ingredient, the saltfish. I like to add the saltfish at the very end, and this is because I find when I add it at the beginning, when I am sauteing my onions and garlic, the saltfish tends to stick to the pot a lot. And at this point you can taste for seasonings and maybe even salt, depending on if you overwash your saltfish. However, usually you should not need to add salt since the saltfish is already salty. And that's it, guys. There's your saltfish buljol. You can now enjoy it with fried bake, coconut bake, or even some boiled provisions. Let me know in the comments down below what is your favorite thing to eat with saltfish buljol. So stay tuned for more recipes, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Bye!